This is about as terrible a case as you can imagine. For this defendant to play on the emotions of this poor couple when all they wanted to do was provide a wonderful home to a baby is a disgrace, and he's going to be held accountable for it.
We met Kevin earlier this year, Mr. Cohen, and he had told us he had a baby, and then in fact another baby that we were able to adopt, and there were 2 birth mothers, and he led us to believe they were doing just fine, and also led us down a path that said in fact they were going to be delivering on such and such a date, and we were really engrossed in this and emotionally invested in this. We prepared a baby room. There are no babies. There were no birth mothers. There's nothing. They just don't exist. Pretty suspicious when the story sort of just kept going on and on.
He took $60,000 from this couple. He's actually more than that. He's spent every penny on himself. Every penny that he took in the effort that he said that he was making to get this couple a child, it all went into his own pocket. He spent it on his own life and dashed this couple's hopes for having a child. When you think about how many couples there are out there who want to provide a healthy, happy home for children, this is an area that makes it easy for people to take advantage of couples like this. This was the first complaint that we have investigated, and we're hoping that through publicizing this incident, we are going to get more people to come.
We heard the county had given them money. Was there any legitimate actions or help to parents going on in that?
You're going to have to talk to the county about the funding of this group.
Do you know of anything legitimate that was going on there?
I can't answer those questions.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you very much.